Hi everyone. This video explains how to use the visualizations available in Ironworks. It contains 2 chapters, Operation and Tips. Use the video progress bar to skip to any topic. Note that this video supplements the Quick Start Guide video, which explains each step of the estimating process and describes system standards for sheet layout and handling. If you have not viewed the Quick Start video, please do so before viewing this one. Written documentation about the topics mentioned in this video is available on the support website. Click on the Knowledge Base command in the Ironworks toolbar to access it. If you want our help building a master estimate, playing what-if games with your fleet's composition, or producing charge rates for a complex job, or a special client, contact us using the consulting page. Now, let's review how to use visualizations while developing fleet employment cost estimates and producing charge rates. 3 sets of visualizations are available in Ironworks. All 3 are used in Step 6 of the process of building a fleet employment cost estimate. That process is explained step by step in the Quick Start Guide video. The first set of visualizations is embedded within the MEC Calculations sheet. The purpose of those visualizations is to enable quick assessment of the subject machine's employment model in terms of its forecast cost breakdown structure. Forecast cost schedule and forecast custody plan. The second and third sets are contained in the black-tabbed visualization sheets. Their purpose is to enable quick assessment of the fleet as a whole, in terms of its forecast cost. And forecast resource requirements. To make it easy to assess an estimate, cost and resource requirement schedules for the fleet are charted separately using 3 different time frames. The rate period, the years in the rate period, and the months in the rate period. In addition, because forecast employment drives cost and resource requirements, a fleet utilization chart is available to help identify underlying employment quantity-related issues. While assessing the active estimate, use the Previous and Next buttons to move from sheet to sheet. Use the Swap Rows and Columns button to change how the data is charted. And use the Data/Chart button to refine your assessment. Within the data view, the options for Machine Record Filters enable you to filter out groups of machine records of interest. The Data Point Slicers enable you to select those years, months, custody types, and individual machine records of interest. To select a range of values in a slicer, click on the first value of interest while holding down the Shift key, then click on the last one. To select multiple values in a slicer, click on them one by one, while holding down the Control key. Now let's review some tips for using visualizations. Tip 1. Because forecast cost and forecast resource requirements are driven by forecast employment, examine the forecast utilization chart before examining an estimate for cost and resource issues. Then, correct forecast employment issues before proceeding with further assessment. Tip 2. To isolate cost and resource requirement issues, use the data view to narrow your examination. For example, if the forecast number of PM mechanic hours for any month is an issue, filter out machines that do not require PM to isolate those that do. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.